So this is how you build HTML element, right? So we're gonna have the actual element here. So this is a p tag, and there's gonna be content therein. The content will be all of this. And even within that tag, we can have another one, the strong tag, right? But the idea really here is that you have our opening tag over here, and our closing tag over here. This is the syntax. We got an opening here. I'm going to call this one a caret. This is going to be the HTML element. And here's the closing caret. And then its partner, same thing on this side and this side, but this right here. So you see, I'm starting off the p tag here. I'm ending it here. They're identical, except this is the start. And with that slash, that is the end. So the whole thing is a p tag. Now, embedded within that inline, I've added a strong tag, but it follows the same convention, even though it's within the p tag. There is a opening one right here, caret, element, caret, and then a closing tag, caret, closing slash, element, caret. Memorize that. There'll be very few things you have to memorize in this class. That is one of them. This is how you build elements. If you put a P here and then a capital P here, it won't work. If you put a P here and a P here without the slash, it will not work. So stare at this for a little while. We're about to see it in the wild in the next slide.